Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Aluminess Products, and today I'm going to walk you through a Promaster roof rack install. In this video you will see two flooring options: perforated, which is great to use as a rooftop deck, and slats, which is great to use to tie down your cargo. We also offer a driver's side ladder, surf pole, and set of surf hooks to carry your surfboards or paddle boards. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our customer service line at 619-449-9930 or email us at info@aluminess.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and like us on Instagram, and I hope this video helps you out with your install. You will notice on your roof that there are several factory mounting points, or pegs. The number of mounting points does depend on your particular wheelbase and roof height. The included hardware for the roof rack will be attached to these factory mounting points. You will start by putting two carriage bolts through the bottom of each stainless steel bracket and sliding them over each peg on the roof. Then you will take each mounting pad and placing it one on each side of the stainless steel bracket. Please remember to place anti-seize on each bolt before you install it. Place the aluminum channel over the carriage bolts with the two legs of the channel sitting on the roof of the vehicle. You will then lower the roof rack on the aluminum channel. You might have a slight bit of adjustment to get the rack to sit in the exact spot you would like. Tighten the 5/16 hardware to lock the roof rack to the roof of the vehicle. We do recommend you check your hardware after 100 miles of driving.